Hey guys, this video we are going to be walking through is how to divide a 2-digit by 1-digit number using partial quotients area model. So what I have here is I have our problem, okay? I've written out my division problem and I've kind of listed off what I believe are the steps of that division problem that we are going to be following. And as I divide, I'm going to be color coding my work with these three colors, my orange, my blue, and my green. So let's walk through this 56 divided by 4. I know my problem. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is I'm going to draw my box. And I'm going to put 56 inside the box and put 4 to the left side. So the awesome thing about partial quotients is that students don't have to be exact in how many groups they're pulling out. They can pull out numbers that feel comfortable for them. So they can pull out smaller chunks along the way and still get the same answer if another student were to pull out bigger chunks. So it's a really awesome tool to use, and I highly suggest starting with this when you are working with division. Okay, so I need to figure out how many equal groups can I take out of 56. I'm splitting 56 into 4 equal groups. And so how many groups can I pull out here? And that's what I'm trying to figure out. So I can think about my multiples of 4. And the very first thing I always think about is my powers of 10. It's the simplest, quickest way to gauge. So what's 4 times 10? Well, 4 times 10 is 40. I could easily take out 10 groups of 4 because I know that that is smaller than 56. So I'm going to take out 10 groups. Okay. So I'm going to be dividing this by 10 groups. Now I'm going to need to multiply. Okay. So now I'm thinking, well, what is 4 times 10? 4 times 10, we said, was 40. Now I need to subtract and figure out what is that equal to. 56 minus 40 is 16. Now I have 16 left over and I need to do something with this 16. So what am I going to do? Well, I have to make another box because I'm still dividing. So I'm going to take this 16 and I need to bring him up here. Okay. He comes over to my next box. And now I need to figure out 4 times what gets me 16. Okay. So let's think. I got my, if I think about my 4s, I have 4, 8, 12, 16. 4 actually goes into 16 evenly. I can pull out 4 groups of 4. 4 groups of 4 is equal to 16. And now all I have to do is subtract. And 16 minus 16 is 0. I don't happen to have any remainders in this problem. So what I'm going to do is I am going to add the top row together because these are my partial quotients. And I need to add my partial quotients together to get a total quotient. So 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. So 56 divided by 4 is equal to 14. And that is how you divide using the area model.